This safety warning highlights a vital lesson on staying safe around heavy vehicles, based on footage capturing a sudden, dangerous incident involving a heavy-duty truck. While in motion, several massive concrete slabs shifted and fell from the trailer, striking a pedestrian walking too close to the vehicle. This serves as a serious reminder to prioritize safety by following key rules. First, never walk near heavy trucks, as bulky loads pose a constant risk of shifting. Second, stay clear of blind spots and maintain a safe distance of several feet from large commercial vehicles. Finally, remain vigilant about how cargo is secured on nearby trucks to avoid hazards. Never gamble with your safety by being indifferent around these massive machines. A single moment of distraction can lead to life-altering consequences. Stay alert and stay safe to protect yourself and others on the road. This video captures a serious workplace safety incident during the unloading process of a transport truck. While maneuvering large industrial bags, a worker was positioned unsafely near the edge of the vehicle's trailer. As the heavy load shifted or a mechanical failure occurred, the momentum of the cargo forced the worker off the platform, resulting in a fall from a significant height and causing severe injuries. This footage serves as a critical reminder to strictly adhere to safety standards like maintaining a safe distance from fall zones and using taglines to guide cargo. Proper fall arrest systems should be utilized on elevated surfaces, and clear communication between operators and ground personnel is vital to prevent accidents. Personal safety must always be the top priority, as a single moment of oversight can lead to life-altering consequences for workers and their families. This critical forklift incident highlights several high-risk behaviors and safety violations that led to a serious workplace accident. First, a worker recklessly attempted to climb onto the side of a trailer without proper safety equipment, posing a significant fall hazard and violating standard access protocols. Simultaneously, another individual was seen hanging onto the exterior of a moving forklift. This dangerous practice can easily result in falling directly into the path of the heavy tires. Most critically, a third worker entered the operator's blind spot during maneuvering. Without a proximity warning system or a safe standing distance, the operator was unaware of their presence, leading to the worker being struck and trapped. This serves as a stark reminder that occupational safety is non-negotiable, as a single moment of negligence can lead to life-altering consequences. Security footage from Gwalior, India, recently captured a distressing incident where an overloaded commercial truck overturned on a severely damaged residential road. Due to deep potholes and an uneven surface, the vehicle lost its balance and tilted sharply, striking a senior citizen who was resting on his porch. This tragic event highlights the devastating consequences of crumbling infrastructure combined with vehicle weight violations. It serves as a serious wake-up call for road safety. Authorities must urgently repair pothole-ridden roads, drivers must strictly adhere to weight limits to maintain vehicle control, and residents should remain vigilant when living near high-traffic areas. Improving infrastructure and enforcing loading regulations are essential to prevent such hazards. This industrial machinery hazard alert provides a hard lesson on safety zones following a severe workplace incident at a manufacturing facility. While heavy machinery was in operation, characterized by high-torque rotating arms and powerful mechanical components, a worker entered a restricted hazard zone. Likely due to a lack of situational awareness or a miscalculation of the machine's path of motion, the worker was struck and pinned by a heavy metal component, resulting in life-altering physical injuries. This serves as a critical reminder of the necessity for rigorous safety protocols, including strict adherence to safety perimeters and no-go zones. Furthermore, it highlights the importance of implementing machine guarding, such as physical barriers and emergency stop sensors, alongside comprehensive training to help workers identify blind spots and high-risk pinch points. Workplace safety must always remain the top priority through strict technical compliance and focus. This video captures a harrowing accident in a home driveway, stemming from a critical lapse in vehicle safety. While an individual inspects the engine bay with the motor running, the car suddenly lunges forward, 5 feet pinning them against a wall because it was left in gear without the parking brake engaged. This serves as a vital reminder to never stand directly in front of a running vehicle. Always ensure the ignition is off or have a driver control the brake in park or neutral. For any DIY repairs, Using dedicated wheel chocks is essential to prevent unexpected movement. Furthermore, always maintain a safe perimeter for children during maintenance to avoid such distressing situations. By following these professional safety protocols, car owners can prevent severe equipment malfunctions and protect everyone nearby from high-force impacts and home garage mishaps.
The footage captures a critical incident involving an individual inspecting the rear of a dump truck. As the person stands on the rear ledge, the heavy tailgate suddenly releases and swings down with immense force, catching them against the frame before they fall. This highlights the severe risks of heavy machinery when safety protocols are bypassed. To prevent such incidents, routine maintenance of mechanical joints and hydraulic systems is vital to avoid failure. Furthermore, workers must utilize secondary safety locks or physical props when inspecting movable components rather than relying solely on primary latches. It is also essential to maintain a safe clearance by avoiding the direct line of fire and wearing proper PPE. Ultimately, prioritizing safety above all else in the transportation and construction industries can prevent life-changing accidents.
A security video from Bursa, Turkey, documents a harrowing workplace accident where a worker was pinned by a heavy industrial load. While maneuvering a manual pallet jack on a sidewalk, the worker encountered an uneven surface that caused the tall, 5-top heavy equipment to lose stability and topple over instantly. The individual was unable to retreat and was trapped beneath the weight until 5 bystanders and a truck driver cooperatively lifted the machinery to free them. This incident highlights critical safety failures, specifically regarding load height and terrain awareness. To prevent such mishaps, it is vital to keep loads low to maintain a stable center of gravity and to scout paths for obstacles. FIFIDU operators should pull rather than push tall loads for better visibility and never attempt to catch falling equipment. Always prioritize proper gear and assistance during high-risk moves.
This footage captures a severe industrial accident at a construction site where a high wall suddenly lost stability and collapsed completely. Due to the rapid nature of the event, workers were unable to react in time and were overwhelmed by a massive amount of debris. This incident serves as a somber reminder that occupational safety must always be the top priority. To prevent such tragedies, rigorous structural assessments and load-bearing inspections are mandatory before any personnel enter a work zone. Never work near weakened structures lacking proper bracing. Additionally, the consistent use of PPE and the presence of dedicated safety officers to monitor for cracks or shifting are vital. Maintaining situational awareness and avoiding danger zones can save lives. A single moment of oversight in safety protocols can lead to truly irreversible consequences for everyone. This footage captures a critical occupational safety failure at a construction site where workers are performing tasks near an elevated edge lacking guardrails. The incident unfolds as a worker attempts to maneuver a heavy beam positioned precariously close to the ledge. Due to a sudden loss of balance in the absence of a safety harness or fall arrest system, the worker slips and falls from the structure while colleagues watch in shock. This serves as a sobering reminder that strict adherence to safety protocols is non-negotiable. Essential measures include using certified PPE and anchor points, installing temporary guardrails or safety netting at all floor openings, and conducting rigorous hazard awareness training. A single moment of oversight can lead to life-altering consequences. Therefore, site inspections must be thorough to ensure a secure environment for every team member.